Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as suggested by the title of this video, it is a Maybelline Fit Me foundation shade comparison. So I've got two shades of the same foundation. So one is 330 Toffee Caramel and the other one is 335 Classic Tan. So the reason I'm doing this video is because a ton of you asked me what shade I am in the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless range. I get a lot of questions on Instagram every single day asking me what my Maybelline Fit Me foundation shade is. So I'm just gonna give you a side-by-side comparison of both the shades on each of the side on my face and show you which one of these suits me best. So on the right side of my face, I'm going to use the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. So it's been a while since I purchased this particular shade, and this is their older packaging which doesn't have a pump. So it used to come like this without a pump, and when you pour it out you have to be very careful, otherwise you will spill the entire bottle. So that's something I really don't like about the older packaging. I've gotten this much of the product, about one pump I would say, and I'm just gonna take that on my finger and just gonna dot it on the right side of my face. Oh, and by the way, I have not applied any primer or anything. I've just gotten my moisturizer on, and that's about it. So I'm using a buffing brush from PAC to blend the foundation into my skin. So now I'm going to do a second layer of the same foundation on the right side, and I'm going to apply a bit of that on my dark circle as well, just to show you the kind of coverage this foundation gives. So this is how the foundation looks after layering it up. I think it has managed to cover up my pigmentation quite well with the second layer of foundation. But when I look myself on the camera, I can definitely make out the difference between this side and this side, right? This side looks way more brighter and paler than what actually my skin color is. And for the longest time I used to think that 330 Toffee Caramel from Fit Me was my perfect match, because that was the darkest shade available in their range. So I used to get intimidated whenever I used to see a darkest color in any foundation range, and we don't have any other option too, right? So we have to use whatever is available. If you're a dusky girl, you would totally understand my problem, because we are never given a lot of shade varieties when it comes to foundations and concealers. I'm so glad that brands are coming up with more color ranges and shades for darker Indian skinned women. Now on the left side of my face, I'm going to use the shade 335 Classic Tan. This is the new packaging, which comes with a pump, which is amazing. So it becomes very easy to dispense the product out of this bottle. So I've taken one pump of the 335 Classic Tan. So I'm going to do the same thing, just going to dot it all over my face on the left side of my face. I'm using a beauty blender to blend out the left side. So this is how one layer of the shade Classic Tan looks on this side of my face. So since I used a beauty blender, it has definitely given me a bit of a lighter coverage. So I'll quickly do the same exact thing what I did on my right side. So I'm going to do a second layer of this foundation on this side and show you how it performs. So this is how the second layer looks on the left side. So as you can see, this is a much better match for my skin tone. So I'm quickly gonna do the rest of the makeup and get back to you guys and talk more about these two shades. So guys, I'm back with a full face of makeup. So this is how both the sides look once the makeup is done. So right off the bat, when you look at my face, the 330 side definitely looks a bit more grey and ashy, since it is not the perfect match on my skin tone. And this side looks really nice and warm and blended together with my skin tone. A little bit of the hyperpigmentation around my mouth is still visible on both the sides, but that's okay because my hyperpigmentation is too strong and I definitely have to use a concealer or an orange color corrector to get rid of them completely. So the shade 330 is definitely not a great match for me. It is very ashy and grey looking once the entire makeup is done, and as the time moves on it becomes more grey. So this is better suitable for people who have NC 43 or 44 skin tones. So the shade 335 Classic Tan is definitely a better match for my NC 45 skin tone. So a lot of you asked me what shade I am in MAC, so I am an NC 45 for your reference. So the shade Classic Tan is a tad bit, like half a shade darker and warmer on my complexion, but honestly I really like those kind of foundations which have a bit of a warmer undertone to them. So even if a foundation is half or one shade darker to my complexion, I would always prefer the foundation which is darker rather than going for a foundation which is lighter than my skin color, simply because I have a lot of hyperpigmentation issues on my face. So whenever there is a foundation which has a bit of a warmer undertone, or if it is a bit darker than my own complexion, then it kind of helps me in counteracting the hyperpigmentation issues. So that is why I am more comfortable with a foundation which have a bit of a warmer or yellow or a peachy or an orange undertone to them. So this one, the Classic Tan shade, is slightly, very slightly darker than my skin tone, but I'm very happy that I went ahead with the 335 Classic Tan shade. So I'll quickly show you a hand swatch of both these shades. So this is the shade 330 Toffee Caramel, and this is the shade 335 Classic Tan. So 330 Toffee Caramel is a bit more lighter than the 335 Classic Tan. So the final verdict from 330 Toffee Caramel versus the 335 Classic Tan is that 335 Classic Tan is definitely a great match on my complexion. So if you are someone who takes my complexion as a reference for your foundation shades, then I would highly suggest 335 Classic Tan. And if you're one or two shades lighter than me, you can absolutely go with the 330 Toffee Caramel. So overall, I really love the Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation from Maybelline. It gives about medium coverage, and you can build it up to a fuller coverage with a couple of more layers, but it is definitely not light. It definitely gives about a medium coverage, and it also kind of minimizes the look of open pores. So yeah, it definitely gives a beautiful flawless finish, and it stays put for very long hours. And I really love this foundation on my oily skin, plus it is super affordable. So yeah, I highly recommend the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation for all of you beginners out there who wanna buy a new foundation for yourself, a good quality foundation. You should definitely try out the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So yeah, that is about it for the two shade comparisons. I hope this video was helpful, because a lot of you, like a ton of you, keep asking me what my Maybelline Fit Me foundation shade is. So here it is. 335 Classic Tan is my perfect match. I hope this video was helpful and useful to all of you watching. And yes, that is about it for today's video. So the product description for this makeup look will also be listed in the description box. So if you want to know, make sure to check the description box. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos from me. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram handle. I post a lot of fun stuff over there. I'll put the link in the description box. So yeah, that is about it for today's video, and I shall see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!